The Evox Electric Power Wheelchair 105 allows you to navigate with ease. Whether indoors or outdoors, the lightweight and portable construction makes it convenient for travel and storage. Effortlessly operate our joystick-equipped wheelchair in automatic mode. With powerful electric motors, it offers smooth and reliable performance. Providing ease of use both indoors and outdoors, you can easily reverse the wheelchair without needing assistance. Revolutionize your mobility with its full 360 degrees rotation capability. Effortlessly use the wheelchair to easily turn on and off the wheelchair with a button, and there is also the option of a horn and adjust speed as needed. You can decrease the speed with the minus button, increase the speed with the plus button. You can easily switch to manual mode and operate the wheelchair yourself. Explore the convenience of our foldable wheelchair featuring the lightweight and portable construction makes it convenient for travel and storage. Enjoy the convenience of flip-up armrests on our electric wheelchair, providing customizable support and easy access. Enhance your comfort and mobility experience and detachable footrests. We can easily remove the footrest from the wheelchair or attach it as per our requirement. Removable battery box for effortless recharging, and the battery can also be installed easily. The battery can be charged easily in few hours, which provides 12 to 15 kilometers range on a single charge. Prioritize safety with our wheelchair, designed with anti-tipper support for added stability. Enjoy secure and confident mobility in any environment. You can even use the wheelchair on an unpaved road. Our wheelchair is designed for ultimate comfort and safety, featuring adjustable armrest as per your need. Soft and comfortable cushion for your sitting. A seatbelt option for your safety. And a parking brake function to enjoy a smooth, secure ride in any environment. Evox, contributing to healthy life.